How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the proof room. Today is huge for me. We're getting a huge upgrade to our distillery. Alright guys, like I said, we're getting a huge upgrade today to our distillery. We're putting in an all-grain brewing system. For most of you that have been following the channel, you know that I've tried some of the all-grain recipes with minimal success. I'm hoping that this will solve that problem by upgrading our equipment and being able to control more of the variables. Now guys, this project started with these 4 kegs here. I had a buddy of mine call me who buys and sells industrial property, and he said, hey, I've just bought a brewery on foreclosure and it had some kegs in it. If you're interested in purchasing them, let me know. I said, well, how much you want for them? He gave me a good deal on them, and I went and picked up these 4 kegs. So I bring these kegs home, right? A couple days later, he calls me and he goes, hey, I found some more equipment if you're interested. They're kegs, but it looks like they got the tops cut out of them. I said, oh, that's cool. Yeah, I might come take a look. It was a short drive to my house, so I went and took a look at it. Alright, so we take a long drive there, and I'm thinking in my mind, man, what could this be? Could it be an all-grain brewing system? He said there was 3 kegs that had the tops cut out of them. They were all on a stand. I never imagined that this is what it would be. We walked into a back shed way off the main building, and this was just hooked up in the back. This thing is a all-grain Herms brewing system. I got 2 chugger pumps with it, Blickman plate chiller. It's got a spike brewing false bottom in the mash tun, and everything works. I don't have the electric ran for it right now, but that's the next thing that I'm going to do is run all the electric and get that stuff done. So he asked me how much you think this stuff is worth? And at that point in time, I had just bought the kegs from him that I originally bought from him, and I was going to build this exact system. And I said, well, you know, I'll give you this for it, I'll give you that for it. And he literally said, I have to get all this stuff out of here by Friday, so if you want to take it with you, you give me $100, we'll call it even. And I jumped at that offer, and out the door it went. So now the question stands, what the hell am I going to do with these kegs? There's 4 of them here. I initially was going to build that brewing system. Now I don't need to do that. It was way more cost effective to buy it all together. I'm thinking maybe a 6-inch tri-clamp fitting welded on top, turn them all into fermenters. I think that would be cool on their own little cart, where I could roll them back and forth between this area in the distillery and the still. But hell, I don't know, man. I don't know. I know it would be probably a lot cheaper than buying 15-gallon fermenter. So if you guys have any ideas of what I should do with these things, leave a comment down below. As always, guys, if you liked what you seen today, hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content like this. Next week, we're going to be wet testing this thing, running the electrical and getting everything tested, make sure it all works. I also have another huge upgrade to the proof room. We got a new still column. That will be coming up soon. So stay tuned, guys. We'll see you next week.